This video is featured by my dog Johnny. Say hi Johnny. Hi Johnny. Welcome back everybody to my brand new cryptocurrency video. My name is Cryptomania. I have been passionate crypto enthusiast for about 2 years now, and I have earned over $10,000 with pre-sales like this. Thanks also for watching today's video. Now before we get started guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure that you always hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down below so you don't miss any of my daily uploads. Let me also know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I of course do my best to answer every one of you. And now let's get right into it guys. Today I want to show you this cool crypto game, Swords of Blood. As you see, we have a trailer here, but we start with the pre-sale. So the pre-sale will be on the Launchpad Game Starter. It is an extra special launchpad for crypto games, and it is safe, so you don't need to care about security audits or if the team is real or not, because this is all covered by the Game Starter Launchpad. They have checked all the details and controlled the security audits, and this is all done already. So let's get right into it. The registration closes in 3 days, in 3 hours, so you have still time to register to the pre-sale. Let us check the trailer.
They are upon us, and the world is coming undone, and their armies.
This high quality
all
trailer.
The bravery and sacrifice won't stop the dark, hungry river. The world tree is dying.
Okay. As you see, they made an effort into this. This is a really good trailer, high quality. Let's go to the project overview. What is Swords of Blood? Key features are the game is for 100% already developed, so you can after the beta launch you can directly start playing it after the pre-sale, I think. Mystery fantasy world filled with hunters, dungeons and fearful creatures. Yeah, we love that all. A console quality HD graphics and your mobile device, so you can play it on your mobile phones and Android and iOS, and also on the web, so on your computer. It has PvP and PvE modes, so you can play it with your friends. It is a multiplayer game, but it has also a solo campaign, so you can also play it alone. And it has a PvP rank system. This is also very cool if you like the competition. Geocrafting and social features like chat with friends and more. Yes, this is fully developed already, as you see here. 200 hours solo gameplay, 1 million downloads already. So if they have already, so you can download it already. You can go to Google Play Store and download the game. Marketing strategy, tokenomics, product roadmap, venture streams. So you can, with the Swords token, you can buy in-game gold, you can buy in-game gems, and you get access to exclusive content and battle passes. Here we have the team. This is all real people, not fake. They have all LinkedIn profiles, you can check them out. Details about the token. The seed round was the price for the tokens, 2.5 cents. Private round was 3 cents, and now we are in the public sale, and the price is 4 cents. The tokens will be locked, and at the token generating event you will get 15% unlocked. Vesting for all rounds, and it has also a lot of partners, so it is a solid project, I think, and I love the game. I think this is a really cool game, and it has a lot of potential. Let's check out how many followers they have on Twitter. 7,000 followers. This is good. They have maybe also a Telegram group. Let's check on the website. Okay, now let's go to the website and check out what we have here. We have the trailer, introduction, a dynamic hack and slash RPG, highly immersive, beautiful render gameplay, PvE and PvP modes. So we have here a lot of images. Here the trailer, game features. We have read already. Here the community. Let's check the Telegram group. Oh, the Telegram group has more than 48,000 members, so it is a big community already. You can be sure that after the launch the coin will pump. Backers. So we have a lot of investors here, backers, launch partners. So it is a huge project with a lot of partners. Yes, you can be sure this is not a fake project. I can easily recommend you to invest in this coin, but I'm not financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment. You have to decide if you want to invest in this coin or not. SOB. We have the white paper here. You can check all the features. And pre-sale. Initial DEX offering. Unlock extra perks as an early investor. Okay, so when you invest $50 in the pre-sale, you get access to the closed beta already. Tier 2, you get extra legendary in-game weapon. Tier 3, you get more weapons. Tier 4, you get sword, letter opener. Then tier 5, you get VIP access. Tier 6, signet soap hoodie. Oh, hoodie is cool. Yes. Tier 7, you get VIP access to Disturbed 2023 concert and chance to meet John Moyer, bassist of Disturbed. Ah, cool. This is a cool extra. Tier 8, you get full-size sword of blood designed and forged. Full-size sword of blood designed and forged by Ben Abbott. So you get a real sword. Okay. Okay, guys. So you don't need much money to invest in the game, but you have to be. You need to be a staker of game starter tokens. The price I have checked before. Game starter, the game token, you need just 400 or 500 bucks to to get the guaranteed allocation, so you can then invest in this sort of blood token. Okay, what we have here else, download. First ever blockchain action RPG available on both Android and iOS. Okay, here's only the possibility to buy the token now. Not able to download the game now, like looks like. Project progress. Blockchain integration, fundraising, game development. iOS development is not ready now, but game development is ready. Android development is not ready now. Okay. Investment inquiries. Here you can get in contact with them. Okay. So guys, what do you think about this project? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. What you guys think about this project in general. What you guys think is gonna happen. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and I will give my best to get back to you. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I'm Cryptomania and I hope you guys to see you all in my next video.